All right,
Nice.
hello everyone. My name is Adam, and this is my partner Derek. And together we created a Scrabble AI bot from the ground up, coded in Java, good old-fashioned Java. Okay, so if you look on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the Scrabble board, and on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see VS Code and the Java program that we have in it. Okay, so suppose that we are on the very first turn of the game and we have 7 tiles in our hand. So I'm going to shuffle this deck a few times and draw 7 tiles just as we normally would in a traditional game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then when I click run in our program, okay, if I hit Control C, Shift Y, and up, and then I replace the AI in Scrabble AI with GUI, that should pull up our GUI for our Scrabble AI bot. Okay, and in this bot, all we have to do is enter in our hand AAOLAEE, and then when we hit find best play, it should be able to find the score, the word, and the indices at which the best possible word that can be formed out of this hand is to be played at. Okay, so I'm gonna hit find best play. Bam, instantly it says that we should play alley. I don't even know what word that is. Do you know what alley means, Derek?
I don't, unfortunately.
Okay, so alley at index 7-4 for 8 points. So we're treating this board like a matrix. We start in the ith direction, which is vertical, going downward from the top left, and then we continue right in the jth direction. So it's kind of vice versa from X and Y because we go vertical and then horizontal. So the index 7-4, we start from the top left, we go down 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we go over 4. Well, we start at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the A should be played there. L, A, E. Not a very good starting hand because it's not a very high scoring point. But let's validate that this is 8 points. So we have A for 1, L for 1, so that's 2, 3, 4, and since we're on a double word, in total that forms 8 points. Okay, hooray! So it accurately identified the best possible position and the best possible word for 8 points. Okay, so now suppose we're on the next turn. So I'm going to draw 4 additional tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Derek, is the timer going, by the way? And we enter in this hand AOEREIN into the find best play. Now, this should find the best word that extends off of alley and its associated index in points. Okay, so if we hit find best play, AOEREIN, no place found. That's odd. Well, I'm just going to get rid of a few. Get 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. It should have found a play. Who knows? AOEAHMU should find at least one play, like he or me. Oh, because we didn't add. I see. We didn't
You didn't
check.
add word to the Scrabble board within the
Yeah,
GUI.
so we need to add ALAE at index 7, 4. It's going horizontal. And as you can see, our GUI uploaded ALAE onto the board right there. Bam, at that row. Okay, so now we could have kept our original hand, but I'll use the updated hand, AOEAHMU. Find best play. The best word is Hayoma at index 3, 4 with orientation vertical for 20 points. Okay, so go to index 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's this one. H, A, O M A. And it's telling us that this is worth 20 points. So let's validate that. So we have H for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a double word, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times 2, because it's a double word, is 20. So it accurately identified the score. Okay, so let's continue even further. Let's draw 4 more tiles.
Don't forget to add it to the Scrabble GUI.
And I will not forget to add it to the Scrabble GUI. Okay, so that would be the first thing I do. H-A-O-M-A starts at 3, 4, and it's vertical, add word, there it is, H-A-O-M-A. Okay, so it's not very clear on the GUI as to where the words are, because it's kind of distracting since there aren't any colors to it, and that's something we want to work on even further with this project, adding color to the GUI. So
Absolutely.
It's a little more obvious as to where the words are actually played. Okay, so continuing off this board, drawing 4 more tiles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our new hand is E-A-U-S-D-I-E, so let's add that in. E-A-U-S-D-I-E. Then the best play is visual at Visual Studio. Visual at index 25. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vertical for 28 points. Wow. That's unbelievable.
The game.
Wow, because it's going through all the horizontal words that are formed in bounding. High as OU is apparently a word. Ma is apparently a word. And L. That's incredible. That's a really good find. And apparently this is 28 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Wow.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. When I counted 26, I might be missing something, or there might be a bug in the program. But 26 or 28 seems like it's around there.
That's wild.
I counted 26, but who knows? There might be some further debugging. But that is a really good play. Okay, so how are we on time?
We should start explaining the code.
So one more play. I'm just going to do one more. EETTLNK. And I didn't add visual to the board. Visual starts at 2, 5, 5, and it's vertical, add word. Okay, now finding the next best play, Asklent. I didn't know that was a word. Asklent at 4, 4.
Pulling a lot of obscure words.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's continuing off AS. ASKLENT. And that's for 44 points. And it's going to find those really good plays for you. That's how smart this AI bot is.